world again. They made the robots vacuum again. The worst one. Let's open and check out this bin. Don't mind if I go. So let's go and open this bin. Oh, and I dropped it in its box and look what happened. Yeah. The power button barely works anymore, too. I'll try fixing this. And here. I'll just hit it on the floor a few times. Okay, it barely moved on carpet. But this one, I'll try something on it quick. Okay, let's open its bin now. Okay, are you kidding me? 100 subscribers. 100 views, 100 likes. I'll eat whatever I can find in my fridge out of this thing. Well, this is kind of like a normal vacuum. It pushes down and it just sucks up. Let's see if this works. This thing actually works. Special. Why is it not working? I just want to wreck you into the door over and over. Now let's do the second. Yay! Wait. Is this thing broken now? Okay, oh, great. This thing's like, I'm back. I'll actually reveal this, and I'll give you a link in the bio where I bought it. Don't forget eating chicken. No, whatever. So bye, guys. Bye.